So in this video we are going to validate the input from the user. So we are going to check whether the user has entered the number or not. So first we can get the input from the user. So let's say data is equal to input. So we will prompt enter a number. So now we have a prompt which says enter a number. So we'll add a colon and a space, and if I run this thing, and it says enter a number, so here you can enter some numbers, let's say 33. So it will end the process. But sometimes this the user can enter some other characters as well, accidentally or on purpose. So in this case we need to figure out whether the user has entered a number or some other kind of data. So here we are going to validate that. So if I press the enter now, it will again be stored in the data variable. So we are going to validate this data variable. So here, in order to validate the data variable, we can do some test. So to do the test, let's say we can use an if condition. Okay, then if data dot is, here you can use is digit. So is digit means that it will check whether the entered data is a number or not. So if it is a number, you can do something. So let's say print number. If it is not a number, then you can write an else condition and print, you can type error. So in this way we can simply check whether the user has entered a number or something else. So let's run this. So first it will ask for a number, so let's type 344. It says it's a number, but let's try once again with some other characters with numbers. So here it results an error. So in this way we managed to validate the user input and check whether the entered data is a digit or some kind of other variable or some other kind of data. So in this way you can manage data validation inside Python. So thank you very much for watching.